last
Is this
video.
like painted cement? Probably.
It is like that. Yeah, it's a cement. It's
Epoxy.
Yeah, you know, I tried to find out more specifically exactly what it was, and as clear as I could get was a cement thing. She has a place in the south of France, and she had it done there, and then she had it done here. But they actually put it over the tile that was existing here, which is great, because if you want to put something over this, you could, because it's already soundproofed. Yeah, it's nice and beachy. You'll see the pink room. Yeah, that's my favorite.
And the balcony wraps around.